So how are you all? I hope you are fine. My name is Tazib sir, and today I am going to teach you new topic. But students, one more thing, let's see first of all today's thought. Okay, what is today's thought? Push yourself because no one else is going to do it for you. What is meaning of these thoughts? I am telling you here. Push yourself because no one else is going to do it for you. Means nobody is coming to push in us. We have to do work hard. No one else is going to do with a hard work. So now do it for you. Okay, now students, let's see what we have done in a last session. Means yesterday what we have done. So students, yesterday we have done a revision. Which revision? Step of the problem solving. How many steps we have learned? We have learned a 5 steps, but mostly we have learned a 4 steps. Okay, remember. Okay, again we are revision here the 4th step of problem solving. The first step is what? Read the question and understand the problem. Understood? Then after question number 2. Question number 2 means step number 2. First question is done here, means read the problems, means read the question and understand the problems. Then after second is what? Second is find the information or data. Then after step number 3. Step number 3 is what? Now decide what to do. Okay, and step number 4, solve the problems and check your answer. Okay, so it's step of problem solving. Now students, we are move on, and then what we have done? Exercise number second E. Second E is all in second E we have already done question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3. We are not performing and we are not writing. Directly we are move on question number 5. Question number 5 is what? Question number 5 is solve the following. What? Solve the following. It means the problems of addition and problems of subtraction. It means the question is what? Their application in real life. But yesterday we have done only 3 questions. Question number 1, 2 and 3. So students, question number 4 is we are done in not a today's session but a further sessions we are. Okay, so now let's see the today's contents. Okay, what is the today's contents? Today's new topic and today's contents is the number families, regrouping, subtractions of 3-digit numbers. What? Today we are going to learn a number families, regrouping, subtractions of 3-digit numbers. Understood? So now students, let's check what is a number family. Okay, so first topic is here number family. When the addition and subtraction facts are related, we say they belong to the same family. Okay, addition and subtraction. Students, what is the chapter number 2 for us here? Chapter number 2 is addition and subtraction. So this chapter related to this chapter is coming a new topic. What? New topic name is what? Subtraction families. What? Numbers family. But which topic related to us? Subtraction. When addition and subtractions. Okay, when the addition and subtractions facts are related, we say they belong to the same family. Okay, addition and subtractions facts are, I am again and again repeat for you. Addition and subtractions facts are related. Okay, related. We say they belong to the same family. What? Same family. Fact family. Same fact family. Okay students, this is picture is what? This picture is what? One boy, its father and its mother. Okay, so students, here boys is his father and his mother. So students, here what decide what we are thinking here? We are thinking here what its boy is belong to he's a full family. Okay, belong to the same family. Mother is coming in the same family, and father is also coming in the same family. That's why this picture is given here. Then after, students, we check, okay, use the same number to build a different connection. What? Use the same numbers. Okay, again and again I am repeating you, students. What? Same numbers. Okay, build to different connection. Build to different connection. Okay, students. So that's why here one example related to the numbers of family. Use the same numbers to build a different connections. 20 plus 30 is equal to how many? 50. 20 plus 30, 50. Okay, so here are 20 and 30 are coming what? Use the same numbers to build a different connections. Okay, so and again what I am writing here? Here I am writing a 30 plus 20. So answer is what is coming here? As like that, students, I am writing here a 30 plus, here 30 plus, here 30 plus 20. Okay, so answer is what? Same answer. Same answer. Okay, understood all, students? Is this your answer? But okay, first of all, what we do here? Again I am reading. Use the same numbers to build a different connections. What? See, I am taking here the different numbers, but connection is what? Same numbers. See, 50, 50. Understood? Now let's move on further. Okay, so the same three numbers, what? The same three numbers can be used to make a two subtraction method. What? The same three number can be used to make a two subtraction method. Understood all, students? Here our chapter name is what? Subtraction and addition, means addition and subtractions both. So first of all, I am take here the subtractions. This example I am taking here subtraction, and then we are check the additions. Okay, so first of all let's check the example of subtractions. The same three numbers, 1, 2, 3. Three numbers can be used to make a two subtraction fact. What? Subtraction fact. So first of all here 5 minus 3. How many? 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3. So answer is what, students? 2. Okay, you have a 5 minus 3. So you have a 5. Then you are do the minus 3. 5 minus 3. So answer is what? 2. 5 minus 3, 2. Then after here 5 minus 2, 3. Okay, students, see here 5 and here this 5, both are same numbers. Okay, both are same numbers, but here different digit, but answer is what? Difference. Okay, but that is both same number. Okay, now let's move on. That is your subtractions facts is done, and now addition facts. Okay, so let's see here. Check, students. Three numbers can be used to make a two addition fact. Was three numbers can be used to make a two addition fact. What? Three numbers can be used to make a two addition fact. So now here, students, is 2 plus 3. 2 plus add how many? 3. So answer is what? 5. And here 3 plus 2 means 3 plus what? How many we are adding here? 2. So 3 plus 2. How many, students? 5. Okay. So now this is your addition. It's your subtractions of facts, and this is your addition of facts. Okay. So we have done both topic, numbers family of addition facts and numbers of family of addition subtraction fact. First of all, what we have learned? Subtraction subtraction facts, and then we now learn what? Addition facts. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 and 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Understood all students? Now we move on the further example. Okay, here 4 example has been done for you. So 4 example is what? Now let's check a first example. 40 plus 30. 40 plus 30. So how many students? 70. See here, first of all, here 2 example of what? Here 1 and 1, both example of addition, and here 3 and 4, this both example of subtraction. How can we know? Here the which sign, which symbol is here? Minus. Minus means subtractions, and here additions. So students, 40 plus 30. 40 and 30 both are different digits, but answer is what? Same here, 17 and here 17. Here again example number 2, 13 plus 40. 30 plus 40. How many? 17. Understood all students? I hope you understood betterly. 40 plus 30 is equal to 17 and 30 plus 40 is equal to 17. See, first of all here 40 comes and here 30. Okay, and other method is 4 plus this 3. 4 plus 3. How many? 7. 0 as it is, here 0 as it is, and it's both 0. 0 plus 0, 0. So here I am writing a 0. Understood? And also same method we are applying here. 30 plus 40 is equal to 70. But here first 30 comes. That's why I am writing 3 plus 4 is equal to how many? 7. Okay, 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. It's no changes. Then after here which method? Subtraction method. Subtraction facts. So students, I am taking here 7, 0 means 17 minus 40. So we have a 17 and then we have a 2 minus 14. So answer is what? 13. Understood? These both digits are same, 17 and 70. And here both 17s means the last after is equal to both answer is a same. And here before a minus sign both digits are here, both digit and this both digit are same. Okay, so it's called a what? Numbers family. 17 minus 40 is equal to how many? 13. And here 17 minus 30, how many? 40. Understood all students? 17 minus 30, how many? 14. 7 minus 3, how many? 4. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. And here 7 minus 4. So how many? 3. 0 minus 0 is equal to how many? 0. So now students, let's new topic is it. What's for here? What is a regrouping? You know, okay, already we have done the regrouping topic, but we don't know what is actually regrouping. That's why I am here explaining you, because of you are learn easily and you are do easily. That's why I am given here brief explanation of what is a regrouping. Okay, we have done what? We have done the regrouping of addition and regrouping of subtractions. Okay, so to related this topic regrouping, I am here give the full explanation of what is a regrouping. Regrouping or a borrowing is a word which we use to take a 10 from one numbers to give to another. What is the meaning of first sentence? I am telling regroup or borrowing. Whenever we are regrouping or borrowing is the word. Okay, what a word which we use to take a 10. Okay, whenever we are taking the borrowing, so what we are taking there? 10. How many numbers we are taking there? 10 from one numbers. Okay, from one numbers to give to another. We do this when we do not have enough to subtract two numbers. Understood? So students, we do this when we do not have enough subtract two numbers. What? To another, we do this when we do not have enough to subtract two numbers. Understood? Okay. Now one more things we have learned here. how do you know when to regroup? Okay, you are confusing, students, where or when we are taking a regrouping, we do the regrouping. So I am telling you here, you know it's the time to regrouping when the numbers you are subtracting is larger than the number which you are subtracting from. Okay, you know it's the time to regrouping when the number you are subtracting. What you are doing, the students, what you are do that time, you are subtracting. What subtracting is a larger than the number. Larger than the number, it means a larger means what? Large number, highest number, biggest number which you are subtracting from. Okay, then after here, students, let's check the example of regrouping. Why we are taking the example of regrouping? Because of first of all we have learned what is the regrouping, and then we have learned the example of regrouping. Okay, so now here, students, we are check the example of regrouping. Here some example. The first example, it's 25 minus 18. 25 minus 18. Okay, so first of all we check the ones, and then after what we have a check here, 10. So in tens, 5 minus 8. So 5 minus 8. So 8 is bigger, large number, and 5 is a small number. So this is not possible. 5 cannot take away 8. 5 cannot take here. So what we are doing here, students? So we must borrow from the 2. Okay, what we are, students, do here? Take the borrow. So 5 minus 8. So I am taking here the borrow. So put a 10 and count these 5. So 10 plus 5, how many? 15. 15 minus 8. So how many come 15 minus 8? 7. How many is 15 minus 8? So how many comes, students? 7. Okay, then after here what we are, so we must borrow from the 2. So I am here cut the 2 numbers and put this 1. Okay, and 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1, how many, students? 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Okay, so answer is what here? 0. 7 is our answer. Okay, now let's we move on other example. Here some example example number 2. So example number 2 is 51 minus 49. 51 minus 49. So let's we check first ones, and then what we have a check? Tens. 1 minus 9, is this possible? No, 1 minus 9 is this not possible, because of 1 is a small number and 9 is a large number. 1 cannot take away 9. That's why what I am taking here, borrow. But where? So we must borrow from the 5. So 10 plus 1. So how many? 11. 11 minus 9. So students, take the borrow plus add a 1. 11 minus 9. So how many, students? How many left here? How many left digit here, student? 2. Okay, and then what we have to do here? Cut the 5 and put the 4. 4 minus 4. So 0. So answer it's what? 2. Understood? Then now other example. Okay, let's check the second example. When the numbers we are subtracting is larger than the number we are subtracting from. Okay, so 6 minus 7, is this possible? No, so I am taking here the borrow. 10 plus 6. 10 plus 6, how many? 16. 16 minus 7. So 9, and I am cutting here the further digit. Okay, and put the 2. 2 minus 2, so it's a 0. Our answer is what? 0, 9. Understood, all students? Then further, okay, subtracting a 3-digit number. What? Subtracting a 3-digit number, student. So here what is a subtract thing we already have learned the subtracting. Okay, so now one by one what to do, we regroup. So first of all, here the tens, sorry, 1, these tens and 100, these hundreds, these ones, these tens and these hundreds. Okay, we need to regroup by taking 100s and given it to the tens. Understood what? We need to regrouping by taking a 100 and give it to the tens. Okay, so what I am doing here, one by one I am telling you, student, one by one step I am telling you here. First of all, let's check what ones. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, here 8 minus 9, is this possible? No. So what to do here, students? Take the borrow and put the 10 plus 8 means how many? 18. How many make? 18. 18 minus 9. Okay, 9 plus 9, how many, students? 18. So 18 minus 9, so how many left? This 9. And then what we have to do? Further, this 100 digit put, I am cutting here and put the 1. Okay, and 1 minus, here no digit, so what we are writing here? 0. So 1 minus 0, so how many left, students? 1. So answer is what? 190. It is our answer. Okay, and then further subtracting a 3-digit number. Okay, one example is here for you. 2 minus 2, how many? 0. 4 minus 1, 3. 5 minus 4, 1. Understood? Then after, okay, here example is very easy, no need to seeing this all things. Okay, first of all we have a 562 means 562 minus 348. Okay, so 2 minus 8, is this possible? No. So what we have to do, I am putting here the borrow, then 10 plus 2, 12, 12 minus 8, so how many comes? 4. Then I am cutting this number which 6, and then I'll put here the 5, 5 minus 4, so 1, and here a large to small digit, so 5 minus 3, is this possible? So 2. So answer is what coming, students? 240. Okay, I am explaining here again. Here is a little cheat that most people like to use while borrowing. Okay, most students do the what? Use while the borrowing. Understood? Follow the same step for an earlier look at the each column until you can subtract from it and get the positive numbers. How many numbers we take there? Positive numbers. Not we are doing that a minus numbers. Okay, positive means as like that. Now add a 1 to that 2 in the ones column to make it a 12. It is the same as adding 1 to 10 the ones column, adding 10 plus 2 which equals 12. Okay, students, what they telling us here? Okay, see these columns, this is ones column, 2 tens columns and 100 columns. So we are make a columns and write these sums. Now the problem is 500, 5 tens and a 12 ones means a 300s, 4 and tens, 8 ones, and you have again subtracts. Okay, what they told us? They told us we are do the separately. Okay, and now for the other sum. Other sum is what? 800. How many? 821. Okay, minus 552. So answer is what? Here I am reading. Here is problem without the step. Let's talk them out as we go. I could not subtract 2 from 1 into the ones column. Okay, ones column, this ones column, this what? Tens column, and this what? This what? This is 100 columns. Okay, so and I could not subtract 5 from 2 in the tens column, so I had to borrow from the hundreds column. When we are borrows, here see, here 12, but why are 12 is coming? 11 plus one more, how many? 12. 12 minus 5, so how many is come? 11. So sorry, 11 minus 5, so how many is come here? 12 is but cutting, so I am first what, how many did, what I am do the mistakes here? 12, but here is not 12. 12 I am cutting, and then how many we count? 11. 11 minus 5, so answer is 6, and here I am cut again 8, so 7. 7 minus 5, 7 minus 5, so how many is come, students? 2. Understood? So now its answer is what? 269. Okay, thank you so much all of you. I hope you are understood and you are better your work. Thank you so much.